Bonjour, Paris. We finally arrived. You absolutely have to taste the giant mangoes when you are in Paris. Go buy it at the fresh fruit shop. They are super juicy and tasty, but they do come with a hefty price tag. Still, it's totally worth it. We enjoyed it so much. Can you believe the cost of just one giant mango? We just got back from Paris, where we spent in total 16 days in both summer and winter at the same year. That's a total of 16 days across 2 seasons. We really dove into the city, explored more than 40 cafes and restaurants, enjoyed the delicious pastries, tasty food, and refreshing drinks. It honestly felt like a dream come true in Paris. Savor the buffet breakfast and check out one of the top spots in Paris at Frame, where you can enjoy a terrace boasting amazing views of the Eiffel Tower. I'd rated this a solid 9 out of 10. The views are truly stunning, so I definitely suggest booking a room that overlooks the Eiffel Tower. The Pullman Paris Tour Eiffel Hotel is truly a gem, with its ideal location for sightseeing. The staff members were incredibly friendly and accommodating, making us feel welcome throughout our stay. The breakfast served in the hotel restaurant was of excellent quality and reasonably priced considering the area. It was a true joy and worth every penny. The orange juice was freshly squeezed, and all the hot dishes, like croissants, were baked that same day. The ambiance was exquisite. The staffs were incredibly professional. The tableware was stunning, and the food itself was simply perfect. If you are a coffee enthusiast, go ahead and grab a hot cappuccino. It's super warm and tasty, and you can totally request more than 2 hot drinks if you want. If you are in the mood for a relaxed breakfast with everything you could want, it's totally worth it. I am a huge fan of real honey, and this place serves up the real deal for its guests. I really loved having a little bowl of it, which not only made me feel awesome, but also helped calm my throat. We savored our breakfast in a relaxed manner for about an hour. Staying in the city center made it super convenient for us to visit most attractions, and it was just a short walk to the Eiffel Tower. We definitely recommend trying the breakfast buffet at the Pullman Tour Eiffel Hotel, and we'll definitely choose this spot for our next visit to Paris. Here is a useful tip. The final light show ends at 11 p.m. and it stays light until around 10 at night in Paris. We had a fantastic time enjoying breathtaking balcony views of the Eiffel Tower. It felt like a dream, such a beautiful and relaxing experience. We grabbed an Uber to our hotel and got there earlier than expected. The receptionist was really friendly and allowed us to check in early at 11 in the morning. And we even got to check out an hour later at 12 noon. Bonjour, bonjour, we are in Paris. We had a fantastic time enjoying breathtaking balcony views of the Eiffel Tower. It felt like a dream, such a beautiful and relaxing experience. Actually, the hotel's checkout time is at 11 in the morning and check-in is at 3 in the afternoon. We paid £550 for a night at this hotel a year ago, which included breakfast. By signing up for their membership, we received a non-refundable discount rate that also included breakfast at the restaurant. The cost changes based on the season, daily rate, and how available the rooms are. We usually take our travel steel kettle, since we prefer not to use the hotel kettle for personal hygiene. Our stay at the hotel was fantastic. The rooms were cozy, and being right next to the Eiffel Tower was just perfect. Just a quick note, the cost can reach up to £1,252 for a night with one king-size bed, one sofa bed, and a balcony that overlooks the Eiffel Tower in the summer. Are you really going to spend over $1,000 a night at a 4-star hotel in Paris just for a balcony view of the Eiffel Tower? I say yes, but only if it's a 5-star hotel with that view. I am definitely adding this to my list for my next trip to Paris. The breakfast buffet was amazing, with delicious French croissants and cakes that were simply divine. Fruits in Paris can be quite pricey, but they definitely offer high quality. The first time I tried a large mango in Paris, it cost me around £15. It was incredibly juicy, overflowing with natural sweetness and that signature mango taste. While it wasn't the best mango I've ever had, it was still pretty enjoyable. One interesting thing I noticed was the peel had a weird floral scent, which added a unique and pleasant twist to the overall flavor. Paris is a city we've visited countless times. Each visit makes my husband and I feel even more in love. We just couldn't resist taking photos and filming videos. Having a forever love is a beautiful thing, and it's great that we're confident in the relationship we have built. Our visit was truly unforgettable. Thanks to everything being just right. We highly recommend it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and show your support with a thumbs up.